Wet. Adjective. 1. Of an object, etc., covered with or impregnated with liquid. For example, I went out in the rain and now my clothes are all wet. 2. Of weather or a time period, rainy. For example, it's going to be wet tomorrow. 3. Made up of liquid or moisture. For example, water is wet. 4. Informal, of a person, ineffectual. For example, don't be so wet. 5. Slang, of a woman or girl, sexually aroused. For example, he got me all wet. 6. Slang, of a person, inexperienced in a task or profession, having the characteristics of a rookie. For example, that guy's wet, after all, he just started yesterday. 7. Of a scientist or laboratory, working with chemical or biological matter. 8. Chemistry, employing, or done by means of, water or some other liquid. For example, the wet extraction of copper, in distinction from dry extraction in which dry heat or fusion is employed. 9. Permitting alcoholic beverages, as during Prohibition. 10. Fountain pens and calligraphy, depositing a large amount of ink from the nib or the feed. 11. Slang, archaic, refreshed with liquor, drunk. For example, can we find and add a quotation of prior to this entry? 12. Of a burrito, sandwich, etc. covered in a sauce. Wet. Noun. 1. Liquid or moisture. 2. Rainy weather. For example, don't go out in the wet. 3. UK, pejorative, a moderate conservative. 4. Colloquial, an alcoholic drink. Wet. Verb. 1. Transitive, to cover or impregnate with liquid. 2. Transitive, to urinate accidentally in or on. For example, Johnny wets the bed several times a week. 3. Intransitive, to become wet. 4. Misspelling of wet.